Maddy me the fuck, gal. Maddy me the fuck, gal. Pretty pan him cocky, make him all and pull up, gal. Maddy me the fuck, gal. Maddy me the fuck, gal. Anywhere in boy, your name me call up, gal.
Me nah stop trying until me get that flying. Me nah stop trying. You want me satisfied.
Lali, I can't fuck with up on social media talk. Everybody in this world they buy a beast before them buy a house. Pussy, talk about say you're a man them attack fuck you. Remember say your biggest song where you have where you bust with a fuck you know.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Yes, man, blessed everyone. Greetings, a pleasant good morning to each and everyone out there in the world and in the universe. And I mean, if you come across this video, I want to say, I wish you all nothing but blessings and long prosperity, long life. You see what I say? Yeah, man, welcome to Linefoot TV. You know where so we keep it real on the back of field. I will say good morning. Good morning, another day. You know, we have to give thanks to life. Always remember that. Same with viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, if you're new to the platform, please consider to click the bell, subscribe, and become a fan, supporter, member, family. See it? Yes. So in this vlog, my viewers and subscribers, we have some new music from Blacker. You see me? Yeah, the original Blacker. You see me? Yeah. The man who founder for the top 20 countdown show. See, my bad girl song. Where I creep up. Yeah, man. Big myself Blacker. We also have a general, a brother, Page Lali, for some statements that he made towards critics that he made towards Jayden, the TikToker. Yeah, but I'm going to hear what I want. Is it? You don't know, we have a new music right now named Now Stop Try. All of our music we have out there still. New music, you see? So, you don't know the routine. You know, we are forward, you know, we are forward.
I watch them on the German represent for Linefoot TV. You're real G. Tell them on the strongest soldiers get the hardest fight. Linefoot Patriots out there.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, Jamie. Let them hear there. You don't know. Keep it real on the back of field. You see, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. Hey, don't forget to like and share the content. And right now, when I'm in the gym, I'm going towards the gym right now, the leisure center. Do some steps and some ab work. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I've been slacking since of lately, you know what I mean? But yeah, I try to push myself, motivation. I know when I need that motivation there. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, is it. So first and foremost, Blacker. Yeah, man. Check out that song from Blacker.
Maddy me the fuck, gal. Maddy me the fuck, gal. Pretty pan him cocky, make him all and pull up, gal. Maddy me the fuck, gal. Maddy me the fuck, gal. Anytime see him, I feel request you up, gal.
Yo, you see the nice impression you wind up on the song, boy. I mean, I have to hide some of the buff, you know, because you don't know YouTube and the restriction. But go over Blacker page, yeah, man, you know the song over there.
Back way upon it, gal, back way upon it. Gal, wind up on it, gal, wind up on it. Gal, side way upon it, gal, side way upon it. But sit down on it, sit down on it, gal.
Yes, Blacker, big up yourself, man. I love my yard girl, them, the girl, them. Want to the yard girl, them can walk in, they can walk, you know. Yeah, hey.
Yes, man, the song name, Maddy me the work, yeah, Maddy me the work. And the rhythm to the Beenie man, rhythm the back it up, back it up, back it up, yeah. Give it, yeah, you see it? I don't know if I remix it or what. You don't know Blacker, veteran artist now this, and real general will always help youth, you know what I mean, and I support youth. I remember when we did Jamaica 2017, 2018, you know, big up CIS, YGP one camp, you know, yeah man, we set the link with Blacker and thing, and you know what I mean, ended up doing an interview. You know, Blacker never hesitated, him never said no, and he made the music but never know the face, and him come meet me in person, the who feels it knows, and yeah, him give me a big strength, him give me. Enough people see the video upon him top 20, and you know what I mean, me and him ended up, did a song, the biggest part of it from Blacker. He took me to the studio, and he said, yo, you're a bad artist, you know. Yeah, your song, you can write, you message them. And he bring me to the studio. Enough man never do that. That's why I said, big up determined, do that. Big up determined, see? But Blacker took me to the studio, a studio in Portmore, and we create. Blacker can tell you, we never write no song, we just hear the rhythm. I will go in the studio and, you know, Blacker come up with the idea, Christmas will come, and, you know what I mean? It was coming up to 2018 Christmas time, yeah. We do the song, Christmas will come, right? But the song up on YouTube, enough time when you see me endorse it. You see me?
I marry attention. Any man when I give the girl them the money this Christmas, them ever get the whole factory at bun. Yeah.
But we're gonna rise it up again. Yeah, so I say, call me and Blacker, yeah, we reconnect again and thing, and you don't know. Yeah, Blacker took me to the studio, we did a song, you know what I mean? Yeah, Blacker can tell you the history, you see it. We're going to the studio and hear the rhythm, we're ready for work, we're not for write, meditation, quick thoughts, you know what I mean? I'm going to the studio and yeah. See, so big up Blacker, yeah man, a strength for strength, you know. So you don't know, my video Bonnie and Clyde will be premiering on Blacker Top 20 show this weekend. Zine. Yeah man, I don't know, check out Blacker song, Maddy Me The Work, y'all. See it?
Maddy me the folk, y'all. Maddy me the folk, y'all. Put it on him cocky, make him all and pull up, y'all. Maddy me the folk, y'all. Maddy me the folk, y'all. Anytime see him, have to request your work, y'all.
Yeah man, bad song. I don't know if to cut off piece of it because you know YouTube and them policy, you see me? Yeah man, you see it, so I just say I think them viewers and subscribers. So now, here where my brother here say about Lally, because you know Jayden, youth named Jayden on TikTok. I'm going to run bag of things and youth them make them money, I do what them have to do here, man. Because money I make over TikTok, you know. I need to know how you make money on TikTok. Come like say me a slacking, you know. Yo! Big up the comedian them over TikTok, you see me? Yeah man, so anyway, hear that general here say.
Lally, I can't fuck with up on social media talk. Everybody in this world buy a beast before them buy a house. Pussy, talk about say your man them attack fuck you. Remember say your biggest song where you have where you bust with a fuck you know. And all no you can't buy a bumbo clock beast. Stop bad mind the youth them man. Jayden and them youth there do them thing on TikTok. You see what me I say? Look how much hit song you have. I know you not buy a bumbo clock house. So all you have to feel like say a TikToker and you can just get up and buy one house. So you don't have no sense. Notice if you put in the locks in the head now, you to come like something wrong with you, you know. Come like you have to trim your bumbo cloth, you know. Because you not learn, you know. At the end of the day, brother, dancehall accept you, Jamaica accept you. You see me with your fuckery, your biggest song of fuckery, you know. And we accept you with the song, you know. And Jayden come with him talk, brother, yeah, this up the youth and them look a thing there. And I talk about house and this and skate pan toll. Brother, nobody never ask if you want to skate pan toll, brother. You see me? Lord, the youth them, brother, make the youth them shine, brother, and go suck yourself. You see me? I'm in a business who want vex or who want take up the problem here. Bumbo clock beasts around the place, so is it they get one or you go take one?
Why the man pays Lally, brother, the man say Lally, you know, or him get film break a fuck with song and Jamaica accept him and the dancehall industry in Jamaica accept him. That's why he got the breakthrough with him fuck with song. Let me know if you don't agree with him or not. But when I say still everybody deserve a chance. Everybody, you know, the music big for everybody. You know, the social media platforms is for everybody. You know, it's up to each individual how they want to belittle themselves or them character or lower them standard just for money and fame. As me, you know, me always I say each to their own, you see me? That's my policy. We don't criticize nobody. Yeah, you know, we say wrong if you talk, yes, but you have to allow people make them do them thing, live their life. You see me? Yeah, the man say, the man say, come like now, I'm Lally, grey relax, come like them, I forgot trim him. But let me know on the thing still, you know, when I make money, dog, me personally, a roof over your head, you can have a look car, you know, you can have your eye on the beast, but no, say you're safe to put a roof over mama head and your head, and then you buy your car, you can go and bounce with that under, you know what I mean? Depends on how you make the money, and you know what I mean, the huge sum of money that you are attaining. See, if you can buy a car, you buy again each to their own. If you want to buy a car before you buy a house, that's your choice. Not how we grew up in the ghetto, hard life, poverty. See, we just have to know how to angle the money when it comes and the success. See, enough people will say get the success and waste it because they've never used to it and then get carried away. I've been going with that say Friday Friday. You see me? So let me know one thing. Big up Lally and big up, you know, big up the general with us speak and big up Jay the same way. But I do them things. You see me as some viewers and subscribers. So now, before I head off to the gym, brand new song, Nah Stop Try. Available on all digital platforms. Good and quick snippet. Yeah.
Nah stop trying. Fly low, fly high. Nah stop trying. Until the day I die.
Yeah man, words of inspiration coming from I Am Marek, you know. Yeah, man. I'll try in person. Person we are try, whether you're a musician, dancer, everybody we are try a long time. I try to make it in a life. Whether you say long town or what, go check out the song. Zane, check out the song. And I don't know. DJs, check on the email because we are sending it out forward soon. So I say, have a blessed day. God bless us all. Peace out. Cool shots. At the man of peace, I am married. Yeah, man. Blessed.
Maddy with the folk, gal. Maddy with the folk, gal. Pretty pan him cocky, make him all and pull up, gal.